Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Here I'm back here with another video. So I guess it's not a news to you guys. Tomorrow is 1st of November and it's also my birthday month. So 25 days, the official countdown begins tomorrow to my birthday, and also tomorrow 1st of November, a lot of beautiful music will be dropping. Flavour, Phyno, Gaaga, Theresa Onourah will be dropping. Obodo, Obodo. And it's already an amazing song. I listened to this snippet some hours ago, and trust me, I was blown away. I was blown away completely. And it's just amazing to see that these guys are really putting the craft very, very well. You could see from the costume here, you could see the costume, you could see the dressing alone. It's just so wonderful to behold Igbo culture. Truly, the culture of Igbo is rich enough to cause problems or cause fight among its artists. Now, let's talk about the fight between Flavour and Kcee. Now, Flavour dropped this tweet you're seeing here. A lot of you have seen this story, so this one is actually an old story. I just want to, dive in a little because I've not talked about it here. Not that I did not hear what happened or I'm not aware of everything that is happening in that aspect, but I just felt like we know the king. We know who the king of this cultural representation is, so there's no need dragging or start talking or start fighting. Once one brother will start fighting each other, we know what is happening. We know that when it comes to cultural representation, in the Igbo cultural representation, Flavour Nabania is number one, and nobody can drag that from him. Nobody can drag that from him. Not even a Phyno cannot come close. Phyno, when it comes to the rap game in the Igbo, he has it, he holds it standing. Now, I wonder why Kcee would go so far to start dropping such, magnitude of words, abuse all up and down, calling him names. I have come to realize that in this entertainment game, it is not who starts first that wins. Do you understand? You might start first, you might have all the experience, but are you able to constantly deliver good songs to your fans? That is one important thing in this game. Now, for Flavour to tell you that copy a career, then you should know that copy a career. And trust me, truly, if you listen to Flavour, some of Flavour songs, Flavour sounds, they are all product of copyright. Yes, but this is like some music samples. All of Flavour songs from beginning, he samples them. But this is what he does when he samples his songs. Production is completely. He gives it a complete sound, a complete quality, bring it out to the current generation. Adding, taking let's say, a cultural ogene song into Afrobeat. This is not like just using the Igbo lyrics and then stealing song. There is something called hooks in music production. These hooks now are beats. So I believe that there's a particular song between Flavour and Kcee new song that's actually people are using to sample and compete, that this is really why Flavour was saying copy a career. And that thing, the only thing I saw inside there was the hook. If you listen to both Flavour sound and Kcee sound, you will discover that the hooks are the same. The hooks are almost, it's not like they are the same. And I feel that is why Flavour came out to say copy a career. If not that, I just feel like everybody in this industry is copying. Let me give you an example. In 2022, when Asake was really, really hot in 2021, 2022, he was really, really hot. He was super hot in the music industry, and he dropped the song Organize. Organized. Every other person organized. Now, it did not take up to 2 months. His fellow musician, Portable, actually dropped As a Man. Do you get? I'm just trying to drag this far. Now, if you bring it back to even Kcee himself, though he pay royalty, he pay copyright, royalty to people who he copied the song from. He collects permission and all of that, music permission to promote the song. If you just most of the gift from listen to Kcee's full cultural praises, the volume 1, the volume 2, I think he also has volume 3. All of it were sample songs. They were sample songs, reproduced, remake to suit the standard. Though he remake gospel song into like a cultural praise, turn it into a cultural praise, and it actually sells very well. So, well, this video is actually not about all of these things. I just had to divert a little to make you guys understand that these things always happen in the music industry. It's a common thing that happens in the music industry. Nobody really has an original sound. Even in the content creating space where we are, nobody has an original content kept somewhere. Do you understand? And that is why here on YouTube, we have things like fair use ads and all of that protects people. Like, recreate this content, recreate it completely. You have every right to recreate someone's ad completely. And if you don't just copy and paste. So that is a different thing. So I believe this is just a fight between two big boys and just trying to get the attention of the fans. So everybody right now is waiting for tomorrow to listen to Larry Gaga's Obodo and listen to Kcee Netflix, Abi? Yeah, Netflix, the full song that is coming out tomorrow. And we are wondering, what is the difference? What difference will it make? But trust me, we all know that Larry Gaaga, Phyno, Flavour coming together to produce a sound is already a hit. It's a complete hit and a straight banger. There is nothing you cannot differentiate or try to talk things out of that one. It's a hit already. So Obodo, for me, I'm already giving Obodo an 8/10. That's my own rating, 8/10. And Kcee, I'm giving Kcee no hate. They are all good guys. They all have great sounds. They all do their songs massively, and Theresa Onourah is also in Kcee's song. So Theresa Onourah has something very, very, very unique in her tune. She has a way of giving it us that we really don't like. We enjoy and very, very well. So if I'm giving Kcee for the sake of Theresa Onourah, I'll be giving Kcee like a 6/10. Yes, I'll give Kcee a 6/10. Although tomorrow we'll still do that music review here. I will do Kcee, Theresa Onourah music review. We'll do Flavour music review for now. I'm telling you, from the snippet I've watched so far, these two songs are actually going to be the top sound for this Ember month. And I trust me, Flavour is not going to drop any sound. For those of you saying, drop us sound, give us something for the Christmas. Go and listen to Men Don't Show by Flavour featuring Phyno. That's another great songs if you want December songs. Now we are expecting Obodo from Flavour, Larry Gaaga, and Phyno. That is going to be another great sound too. And then you can compensate yourself with Kcee sound, Netflix, which he featured Theresa Onourah. Those are all amazing sound. These are the little snippets I actually got from the behind the scene of both Kcee and Larry Gaaga song Obodo. Enjoy. I see you guys tomorrow when the new songs drop out.
They got it. Okay. Hey, Ibu go. That's the one Ibu go. Okay, mommy, let's go.